Good day everyone, go by name Skywet. Please can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you've been following my video, you will know I'm an affiliate marketing coach and I'm a software developer also. And from the past years with my experience in affiliate marketing, I have bagged a lot of experience and secrets that can make you a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that to be a successful affiliate marketer, what you need, or one of the backbone or one of the important thing you need to consider, is where you get your lead and your traffic from, because your leads and traffic are what will possess or purchase your goods and service on your platform. And that is where I'm coming, because due to the past struggles I have had in affiliate marketing, I have come up with a software which is a affiliate marketing traffic generator, which I've been using for a while now, and that's really been giving me excellent results. So this software has really been doing good and fine, and this is the result which the software gave one of my students that got my software and video course. As you can see on the screen, this is the result. These are excellent results. So to get my video course and my software today and start earning really good like my students, and also you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me to the number you can see on the screen on Telegram. Because it's not about the hard work, it's not about the struggles in the game, it's about the smart work and the chances you take. Because due to my past struggles, I've tried several methods by which I can get traffic to my site. An example include SEO and Facebook adverts sharing. I've tried several methods, but most of them, all of them, do not give me the results which I want. But since I've developed the software which I've been using to get traffic to my site, it has really changed the game for me and my students. And I have students around the world that are using my software, and I also manage accounts for my students also. And it is due to the account management which I do for my students that has not given me the chance to post more videos on my channel, because I have many students that are getting my software and they are still getting it presently. So to get the software today, enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making hedge, that are setting pace and making excellent results on affiliate marketing. Please contact me today on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me through the number you can see on Telegram. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me through the number you can see on Telegram. Thank you.